This is the topic of today's story, being honest. You can understand to read the thought why I'm telling honesty. Being honest, the story of flowers. Today I will narrate you this story. It is a story of Midas. It is country in outside India. This is not Indian story, but the moral of the story is very good. Being honest, the story of the flowers. What is the story? Before starting the story, let me ask you a question. See this picture. See, look at this picture carefully. You see this picture. Now, tell me, write in chat box. Now write in chat box what you see in this picture. Write in chat box, don't speak. Write in chat box what you see in this picture. Anything you can see in this picture? A lady. Someone written a lady. I will give you answer after narrating the story. Anyone can see anything in this picture? One lady. One is written one lady. Okay, you write. I will continue narration. You write. I will read later. So now the story name is The Flowers That Did Not Bloom. The flowers that did not bloom means the flower which not bloom. Bloom means khilna. The meaning of bloom is sprout, the flower. A long time ago, there lived a king who loved plants and flowers. He was a gifted gardener. Every seed that he planted grew into a beautiful plant. Every bud that he took care of bloomed into a beautiful flower. The king was very good gardener. He liked to gardening. You can see in the picture there is lots of flowers and garden in the garden, and he take care himself to all the flowers. The king, however, had one reason for sadness. He did not have a child. So the king has no child. He was childless. He was no daughter and son. He was growing old, and now he was growing old. He did not know whom to hand over the responsibility of managing his kingdom after his death. So now he was worried that when he will die, he will dead. Now who will the next king or queen of his kingdom? So he was sad because of that reason. One day he had an idea. He would let his flowers help him choose the successor to his throne. So what he decided? He decided now my flowers will help me. He loved flower, he loved gardening, he loved flower. So he got an idea that now my flowers will help me to choose the successor to my throne. Successor means Uttaradhikari, the person who will be the king or queen after the one king, after the honorable king. Who is the next king? That is called successor. I will give you the words also afterward. And throne, successor of his throne. Throne means Rajgati, where king sat. So he said that who is the successor of the throne, that is the point of the thinking, and the king decided that my flower will give me idea who will be the next king. He made an official announcement in his kingdom. All men and women of his kingdom were come to the palace on a particular day. What he announced, that he given a date and said all the man and woman of the kingdom of that city will come in that date to the palace, king's palace. The king had something important to tell them, and the announcement is that day king will tell them something very important. The people were very excited and full of anticipation. children, to listen that the king called us and he will tell something important. They were very excited and they are full of anticipation. Meaning of anticipation is lots of thought. They thinking, they talk with each other, what the king will say, what king will say. They are thinking, they are presuming. They kept discussing and wondering what is all about. They talk with each other, they discuss with each other ki what king will tell us, what king will do. On the appointed day, the palace courtyard was a chock or block. So when the day came, when all gathered in the king's palace, the palace courtyard was chock a block. Means courtyard means, we have courtyard in our school also. Courtyard is the place which is a central place which is covered from the four sides by the building. It is called courtyard. We have courtyard in school. And chock-a-block is a phrase. The meaning of chock-a-block, full crowd. Full crowd. The air was full of the many voices talking excitedly. Everyone is talking excitedly. Among the crowd was a young girl called Shirena. She was the only one who did not talk. She was the only one who did not talk. All are talking with each other. Only there was a little young girl, not little, young girl. Her name was Serena. The name of the girl was Serena. She was the only one who did not talk. She was too busy admiring the beauty of the palace. She also, like king, she liked gardening, she liked flowers. So she was so happy to see all the palace, beautiful palace. You can see in the picture. She was very happy to see the palace. Soon after, the trumpets sounded and announced the arrival of the king. Trumpets means, better the music instrument like Sehnai. If you know trumpets, it's long music instrument. The king greeted everyone and started going to each and every person and presented him or her with something out of a small box he carried. And now king appeared, king came, and he was carried a small box, and from there he was giving everyone few things, little things he was giving to each and every person. What he giving? Finally he giving everyone. Finally he came to Shirina. Shirina bowed. Bowed means झुक के प्रणाम करना. In other country they bowed like this. In India we tell namaste. We join our hands. So Shirina bowed in respect. She did not dare look up and meet the king's eyes. She was so respect of the king. She was not look of the eyes of the king. The king greeted her gently, reached into the box and gave her a flower sheet. What he gave? He gave seeds. Children, seeds. From the seeds, flowers grow, plant grow. So, actual king given seeds to all the person who coming in the palace. What he given from his box? He given seeds of flowers. At the end of the day, the king announced, what he announced? Whoever can show me the most beautiful flower at the end of the year will become the next successor to the throne. He announced that those who will give me the most beautiful flower or plant from this seed within 1 year, I'm giving you time of 1 year. In this 1 year, you will plant this seed in the pot and make a beautiful flower plant. Those who will make best flower plant, I will give them my successor of throne. Who will be the next? They who will give, they will be the next successor of the his throne. वो जो होगा वो successor होगा उसके throne का. Shirina went home clutching the seed in her palm. You can see in the picture. Shirina went home clutching the seed in her palm and thinking about the king's announcement. What Sharina done? She take the sheet on her palm tightly and she go to his house. You can see she go to her house. She would surely be able to grow the most beautiful flowers in a year's time. She thought she was very good gardener, so she thought in 1 year I will grow beautiful plant from this sheet. As soon as she reached home, she filled a pot with the soil and planted the sheet. She started watering it every day. Days passed and then months. Nothing came out of the sheet. What happened? years महीने चले गए, दिन चले गए, वीक्स चले गए, बट वो शीट कभी प्लांट में बदला ही नहीं. नॉट bloomed. Shirina was sad and worried. She was very unhappy. She did not know what was wrong because she was very good gardener. She take care the pot very nicely. She every day she give water. You can see in the picture. She was so sad to see that plant not came out from the sheet. One whole year passed very quickly. It was time to return to the palace with the flower pot. Now 1 year gone. Now is the time to present the flower pot with plant to the king. The day came. So Sirina saw the other people coming with gorgeous flowers in their pot. Sirina saw that everyone come with very nice flowers in the pot. She was more sad. She was more sad. She had nothing but an empty pot to show the king after 1 whole year. She felt ashamed and heartbroken. The king arrived. Then king arrived. He went to each person in the hall and looked at the flowers. Children, you can see in this picture, all have beautiful flowers in the pot. Only Sirina have empty pot. Sirina wanted to vanish till finally she saw the king standing in front of her and looking thoughtfully at the empty pot. What she want? She want to vanish somewhere. Sometimes we also feel when we not do anything properly in the class, teacher you thought that teacher will be very angry because I'm not finished this thing, so I want to vanish from the place. So Sirina also felt like that in that time. Why have you brought me an empty pot? He asked. King asked, why you brought me an empty pot? Sirina said, Your Majesty, I tried very hard. I watered it every day, but nothing came out of it. The king took Sirina's hand and took her to the throne. What the king do? Surprisingly, he hold the hand of Sirina and take her to the throne. उसको राजगद्दी के तरफ लेके आए. She take her to the throne. The king took Sirina's hand, took her to the throne. I have found my successor, he announced. And what king announced? That I got my successor. मुझे अपना उत्तराधिकारी मिल गया. He announced the sheet given to you were all roasted. Children, meaning of roasted is sada hua. Means jo seeds, the seeds which given by the king to the all, that was already dead. So there is no chance to bloom plant from that seed because it is roasted. You know that roasted seeds never bloom. So it was the exam of honesty, not blooming flower. So it was already roasted. They would never had bloomed into flower. This girl was the only one who had the courage and honesty to bring me an empty pot. Sirina, I rewarded you the kingdom and the name you the next ruler. Children, still someone is coming. Children, the meaning, the whole moral of this story is as you must have guessed, honesty was the most important quality that the king wanted to see in his future successor. So the taste he took was a taste of honesty. Nobody other than Sirina passed this taste of honesty. The others were greedy for the throne. They were greedy. They thought that the king could be deceived. Some of them might have felt afraid. They must have thought that the king would punish them for not being able to grow the flowers. Serena's honesty was such that she did not crave for the throne. Her honesty gave her the strength to put in genuine effort to make the seeds sprout. It enabled her to prepare for all situations. It gave her the courage to tell the king the truth and to be honest. Honesty goes hand in hand with sincerity and courage. Dishonest people are often cowardly. They are too afraid to face or speak the truth. They are also insincere. They can never be trusted with responsibility of any kind. So a person deceived or betrayed his or her country or kingdom is said to be traitor. This is not the way. So in this chapter, what we learn, honest people never use lies in any situation. They never pretend about anything to themselves and others. The honest people can never be influenced by the lies and pretense of others. So children, now I will one by one ask you few questions, but I will unmute you. You will not unmute yourself and you will write in chat box. That I will take print out. First question is, still students are coming. The first question is, how do you think the other people manage to get beautiful flowers? आपको कैसे ये लगता है कि दूसरे लोगों ने क्या किया होगा जो उनके पास इतने अच्छे फ्लावर हो गए, जबकि सिरेना ने कुछ भी नहीं किया? You can write in chat box. Okay, I will tell the name and they will unmute them. Kalpesh Patel, unmute and tell.
मैम ये सब लोगों के ने ना अपने सीट्स बदल दिए होंगे.
Very true. They changed their sheet. Now you mute. They changed their seat from the roasted to their own sheet, and then they planted the sheet because they are afraid कि भाई उनके भी flower नहीं उग रहे थे. They are not bloomed any flower because that seeds are roasted. So they said lies. Okay, Veer Solanki, unmute yourself and give me answer. Veer Solanki, unmute yourself. Veer Solanki. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो. Yeah, speak. बोलो बेटा. No, you have not write these things in notebook. This is oral question answer. Speaking. They do change their sheet. Right answer, Sanjay Patel. They do change their sheets. Right answer. Veer, can you give me answer? You write in chat box. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. I can't hear your voice.
I can't hear.
Srujal?
Yes, ma'am.
Srujal, can you give me answer on your video and give me answer? Veer, you mute yourself, dear.
Ma'am, second.
So two voices coming. Tell me. I can hear you properly. Veer, mute yourself. Veer, mute yourself. 1 second, beta.
Ma'am, ये पता नहीं चला. Second.
First question's answer you can't understand? Okay. First question I am asking. What you feel? Veer, you mute yourself. Veer Solanki, you mute yourself. Okay? Change. Buy the flower from the flower shop and plant it. That also true. What they done? They change the flower. They purchase flowers from flower shop, plant, and they purchase. Veer, you mute yourself.
Ma'am, they buy a new one.
Okay. Now, next question. Second question. What does it say about them? Think of 3 words to describe them. ऐसे लोगों को क्या कहा जा सकता है? Give me 3 words only. Give me 3 words. Right? 3 words in your chat box. What you feel? This type of people. We don't speak. Now I will remove you, huh? Second question is, इस तरह के लोग जो ऐसा काम करते हैं उनको क्या कहा जा सकता है? Give me 3 words. Write 3 words. I am writing in chat box. You can see here. क्या बोलेंगे ऐसे लोगों को? First word is dishonest. We can say them dishonest. Right? They are dishonest. जो ऐसा करते हैं, they are dishonest.
Yes.
Write in chat box.
Yes.
Write in chat box. What you want? Cheater. Yeah, cheater. They are also insincere. You can say insincere. They are not sincere. They not sincerely do their work. So what we can write?
I'm greedy.
Greedy also, right? Right answer, greedy. I written greedy, insincere, and dishonest. So hoga hi dishonest. Okay, these words you have to understand. Meaning of dishonest, insincere. You can use in your daily life these words. Okay. Now, third number. What kind of girl is Serena? Think of 3 words to describe her. Very simple. What you feel? Unhonest नहीं होता है बेटा. कुमारम मिस्त्री dishonest. Okay, dishonest. हाँ, Serena was honest,
sincere, and
honest, sincere, right? And one more, courageous. She has brave, courageous. Yes, brave. Serena was honest, sincere, courageous, brave. You can say, right? Now, fourth number question. You will not write it, huh? Just go through it. Think and speak. Like extempore. 1 second. Why was Serena the most suitable successor to the throne? Why she was the most suitable successor to the throne? Successor and throne, you understand, na? Word.
yes,
Thumbs up.
ma'am.
Thumbs up. Don't say right yes, ma'am. Hiren Parmar. Unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, because he was trying endlessly to growing a plant.
Because he was honest, yeah. Because she was trying, yeah, very true. She was keep trying, and then she tell the truth that I tried, but it's not happened. She was honest. That's why this is the moral of the story. Because she was honest, that's why she got the success. She was the successor of the throne. Okay, now next. Okay, now a few questions you will answer in yes and no in the chat box. I will take print out. Do you always have the courage to speak the truth? Do you all have the courage? क्या आपको इतनी हिम्मत है कि हर सिचुएशन में आप सच बोलो? You have? Sometimes you said that there is problems. You said lie also. We have the courage. If yes, then very good. Sometimes, yeah, you are right. Sometimes we do, but we have to change ourselves. We have to be very honest. So life will be very easy. If we are honest, then life will be very easy. That I can't do this. I can't done it. So life will very easy for you. If you be honest. If I am honest, then children, today I need prepare not any story, so we will talk. One day I can say that. If I am honest, I am very happy actually. By the end of the day, I am very happy. So we should be honest. Now, when is it especially difficult to be honest? This is a very good question. When is it especially difficult to be honest? ऐसा सिचुएशन कभी होता है ना जहां पर सच ऑनेस्ट रहना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. यू कैन थिंक दैट सिचुएशन व्हेन यू कांट बी ऑनेस्ट. चिल्ड्रन, इट इज टफ फॉर यू, सो आई एम गिविंग यू आंसर. व्हेन there is situation that you will tell something and your parents, with whom you love, your parents, your friends will get hurt with that truth. That time it is very difficult, to be honest, because you know that your loved one will be get hurt, right? That is the situation when you will feel little difficult, to be honest. Can you recall an incident where you were dishonest? How does it make you feel today? Children, this question I will give you in review. You give me answer. Write the answer. It is difficult, so I'm not giving you right now. Okay. Now, this is the words. You have to write in your notebook, and then this you have to write, and then you will find out the meaning from the dictionary. Few words are there: successor, throne, trumpet, gorgeous, anticipation.